Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today. I'm doing another salmon fly for you. This is the sweetie. Nice wee fly, you can tie them singles, doubles, trebles. Would also make quite a nice tube fly. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description along with a link to social media, the Patreon page for anybody that would like to support the channel and be eligible for future giveaways and members only content, and also the Amazon links for anybody that would like to bookmark them, use them for your on Amazon shopping and to support in that way. That would be very appreciated. So I'm tying this on a double. It's a full mil magni. I'm just going to run on my thread right back to say nearly the hook barb. Then for the tail, I'm going for some orange bucktail, but I'm taking the hair from the back of the tail so that it's a sort of mix of brown and orange. Just got to sort of hand stack it a wee bit, though as always I don't like the tail to be too even, but I want to take out the extremely long fibres and realign them. Just roll it to get them to take a shape. And then tail length will be a couple of hook lengths off the back. Just take a wrap or two to hold that. See how it's sitting, that looks okay. Rib is oval silver tinsel, using a small for this size. Catch that in. And then I'll just trim my waist, length of the body. Then I'll just tidy everything up. Just take my thread forward and open turns. Quickly catching the hair, and then I can come back along, tightening everything up. We're ready for the body, which is a copper, using this sybai sparkle hair in dark copper. But you could use copper tinsel if you want, just flat tinsel. But I like this sort of using a couple of strands of this that sort of facets the surface. Just catch that in. And then to help protect it, right, put a wee bit of super glue on the thread wraps, and I'll wind this the opposite way as everything else. I'll wind it towards myself so that the rib counter ribs it. I get to my thread, cross over, trim away the waist, tie everything off. Then rib, I'm just going to take a full turn at the back, then come up, nice tight wraps. Again, I like to put a full turn at the front. Catch that underneath. Same again, just trim away the waste with the small tinsel. You don't really use up that much space, so I don't mind that extra wrap. It's nice and it makes it just that wee bit tougher. So the next thing is some squirrel. I'm going to use a mix of orange and yellow. Just about half and half. I don't mind. I'm no too fussed about having one colour dominant. And I'm just going to roll the hair together in my fingers to help to mix it, and then I'm just going to stack it. Because it does get really kind of out of line when you mix them together. Length, I want it coming back sort of just beyond the back of the hook, something like this. Now, wax my thread. And I can come in, because the squirrel's quite slick, you see, so a bit of wax does wonders. So measure it up, just hold it in, and then just got to allow the thread to roll it. Take a wee extra wrap, and then I'll just come in with my needle. Free that up, just check that I've got a nice sort of veil of squirrel all the way around, then tighten up, and good tight wraps on that. Trim your waist away, nice and tight. Now, the squirrel's very slick. I mean, the wax does give you a lot of grip, but I'm just going to put a wee spot of super glue on the thread there, and then come into the cut ends. And that will help lock them firmly in place. So, coming in now with some, a teal feather, and you don't need you can use a kind of rubbishy one that you wouldn't necessarily use for the likes of like a wing, right? You can see this feather's a bit damaged, but I can get enough here, so I've just pulled them off so that the tips are aligned. And then I'm just going to do exactly the same thing as before. I'm just going to let the thread carry it around the hook. Make sure it's spread nice and evenly. And then tighten up. Oops. Trim away my waist again. And just tidy everything up. That's not a bad wee fly at that. It's nice. Just going to sort of brush that teal a wee bit to help take any twists out it. There you go, that's quite nice. The last thing is just some jungle cork. I'm going to use a bigger feather that's split. This is one of the flies that I think it works out okay. I like quite a small eye on it, so I don't mind the split feather, rather than using up the wee good ones. So we'll just encourage the split, and then I'll offer that in on the sides. You can adjust it. Get it to sit how you like. I'm not too keen on this, so what you can do, I'll just really separate them and tie them in one at a time. Sometimes it's a bit quicker with the split, on the double hook anyway, because it can be a bit awkward trying to fit your wraps around it. And on my side, right, that's nice. 2 or 3 wraps down, fold it back, carefully your fingers on the double. Just break that away, keep your thread tight. Nope. That off. And it's just a case of tidying up. Build a nice head. You could, if you want it, finish it with some floss. But I think the hot orange thread is just enough. Come on. That finish. And there you go, that's the fly done. A nice little sort of shrimpy looking pattern. Nice colour combination, the orange and the yellow and the copper, it looks very good. It's quite light, and it obviously with the sparse tail and there's not actually a lot of dressing on it, it moves very well in the water. So well worth tying some of these up to give them a try. Just got to knock away any excess glue there, so I can come in and just varnish the head. Couple of coats of varnish, you end up with a lovely fly. Nice, shiny, nice shiny head, rock solid. There you go. So I hope that was useful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines guys, bye.